Fix Wbload.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Update your drivers. Corrupted drivers may cause DLL errors, thus, make sure that your drivers are fully updated. You can start with the Windows Update feature. Method 2. Check for file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 3. Scan for malware. DLL errors can occasionally suggest the presence of malware infections. As a result, it is essential to first verify that the system is not compromised. Method 4. Reinstall the app.